I'm Yolande Poirier from Oracle Technology Network, and I'm here at Devoxx France today talking to Stephan Janssen. Stephan, hi.
Hello, Yolanda.
So you have released a new version of Parleys.
Yes, this morning during the opening keynote we've been working quite a few months on this, preparing. We showed a sneak preview in Belgium last year, and finally today we were able to release our new version, our new baby, which is a full HTML5 version. So I'm really excited about that. People have seen the new client, but we've also redeveloped the server completely from scratch. So that's really nice because we moved away from MySQL, we moved to a MongoDB with a REST interface, so it's very lean, very fast. And then of course the clients where we've actually removed Flash and Flex and replaced that with a full HTML5 experience. So I'm really excited. Yeah.
So what are some of your favorite features?
Well, one of the results of having it in HTML5 is that it just runs on an iPad. So finally people can just open their iPad, sit in the toilet and enjoy a talk, right, without installing an application. So that's a very nice one. But what is also very nice is that it's very snappy, it's very reactive. You really if you get related talks, it's very fast and so on. And what is very important for us is that we basically are planning eventually to merge all our tools into one web application. So you have the player, but the publisher is becoming also part of the player. The administration is becoming part of the player or the web experience. So if you log in, and now you can log in with your tweet handle, your LinkedIn, Facebook or Google Plus account. You log in, you get a personal free channel, and then you can start uploading talks, but all in the same web environment. You don't have to install a different client, etc. And what I really like is that we've offered this as a free service to anybody who actually creates an account, and he or she can upload unlimited PDFs, so you can view those PDFs then in the player, and then you can add video to the slides. And the nice thing is you have a few options. You can add video just from your hard drive, but let's say that you already have video on YouTube, then you just enter the URL of the YouTube video, and it will actually show in the publisher. Then you can add that video next to the slides, and you can actually synchronize your slides with the video. So that's a very impressive, a powerful feature, because for us we win 2 times. There's already a lot of videos out there, so they can reuse it, but we don't have to host or stream that video anymore. And the cost is not for us, it's basically for Google, right? Because it's there, you can use it. So that's going to be interesting to see how that actually evolves and how we can use that moving forward.
And it's actually one of the few tools that out there that integrates all those multimedias as well, right? Can you talk about the environment maybe of the?
Yeah, well, of course everybody knows SlideShare.
Yep.
So that's mainly slides. What we're doing is really doing SlideShare++, really moving beyond SlideShare. Is that, you can upload your slides, but a feature that we are working on, which I didn't show this morning, is that you can upload your slides, press the record button, and you start talking. You do next slide, talk, next slide, talk. You stop the recording, and the audio will be added automatically to the slides. So, that really moves it up to a next level, and that's just audio. We can do the same thing with video. So it's really you should see, this is if YouTube and SlideShare would have a baby together, then they would call it Parleys.
Okay, so that's it.
So I'm excited, I'm really excited. And so and you have different services for different people, right? Yes.
I mean, it's individual.
We're trying. Of course, we need to cover some costs. We have 4 people developing on this full time. So I need to find a business model, of course. And so the business model will be 3 different levels. We have a basic account, which is free. So there you can just upload your slides, upload your videos, but you can't, for example, get statistics. You can't download the talks yet. You can't have a native application. So we need to at least balance that a bit.
Yep.
Then you will introduce a professional account. We have not yet decided how much it will cost, because we first need to learn a bit how much it actually costs on Amazon, because everything is hosted on Amazon, and then see how that works financially. But we would like to have it as low as possible, of course. And then more for the big companies like an Oracle or big conference organizers, we have the enterprise level, and there you can fully brand it. So you can customize it so it has the look and feel of the company. You can even embed that channel into your own website, so the people who are watching and going to your site don't even see that it's Parleys. Right? And then we can give you advanced analytics, even do dedicated hosting, so it's not on YouTube but on our machines, well, Amazon's machines. So yeah, we're going to play with this and see how it works. But what is interesting, I think we're opening it up really to non-IT content now as well. Like we're already getting requests from stand-up comedians who would like to use just the paywall, so that you can pay for the channel and they can monetize their content. So if we're going to sit here in 1 year, I think we will have a lot of non-IT related content, because it's a platform you can use for slides and video, and it doesn't just have to be Java or IT related. So it's going to be interesting to see how that evolves.
And so, are all the user groups also using Parleys?
Yeah, a lot of them are. I think it's about 50 or 60 user groups are already uploading it. That continues. They have received a free channel already since we started Parleys. So we've migrated their content on their channel. They'll be able to fully use whatever we offer them. I mean, we at least want to offer that to the Java community and offer that as a free service. I mean, that's the least we can do. And for us, it's also a very good way to get response from very active, passionate people and say, oh, but you should change this, and that didn't work, etc. So it's a win-win situation.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for